Hey guys, Omkar here and welcome to Bachelor's Tadka. I got many requests for the recipe of chicken tikka masala. So today I am going to show you a chicken tikka masala recipe in an easy way. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Now let's move on to the ingredients. Half kg of boneless chicken. I have cut it into a small pieces. Cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, 4 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 onion roughly chopped, 1 cup of yogurt or curd, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, some cashews, butter, oil, kasuri methi and water. Ginger garlic paste. First we are going to marinate our chicken. So let's start the procedure of marination. So in a chicken I am going to add 1 cup of yogurt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Salt as per taste. Now mix it well till all the masalas get coated to the chicken. Now the marination is ready. Keep the marinated chicken aside for 15 to 20 minutes. So till the time we will make our gravy. So for making our gravy or a makhni, I am going to boil all our ingredients in a water. So let's start adding one by one into a pan. Heat a pan on a medium flame. Then add 4 roughly chopped tomatoes, 1 roughly chopped onion, 3 dried red chilies, some cashews, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, add a little bit of water, like half cup of water, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Now the secret ingredient to get the red color for the dish is the Kashmiri red chili powder. So I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder in it. This is not spicy, it only gives color to your dish. Some salt as per taste. Now mix it well. If you think there is less water, you can add more water in it. So now I am going to add half cup again. So I have totally used 1 cup of water over here. Now we will boil this mixture completely. So it will take almost 10 to 15 minutes to boil the mixture. Cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So 10 minutes are done. Now let's check if mixture is boiled or not. Since this is boiled, we will take it aside and cool it completely. After that, we will grind it into a fine paste. Till the time our mixture gets cooled, now let's move on to making the chicken tikkas. For that, I have heated a pan on a medium flame. I am going to add some butter in it. Butter is melted and now I am going to add chicken pieces in it. Fry it on a both sides till it gets slightly burnt flavor. So it will take 5 minutes on each side. Since it's a boneless chicken, it doesn't require a lot of time to cook. It will get ready in 10 minutes. Five minutes are done. Now we can turn it and let's roast it on the other side. As you can see, it's slightly burnt. Similarly, we are going to roast it on the other side. So after 5 minutes, it's ready from both sides. So now we'll take it out. So it's ready. We will take it out. Similarly, we are going to fry remaining chicken. All of our chicken tikkas are ready. Now we will transfer it into one container. Now the tip here is I am going to give a smoky effect to this tikka. So I am going to roast one coal on a gas and I will give a smoky effect. So first transfer all the chicken tikkas into a container. Now heat a coal on a gas. Once the coal is heated, keep one ball in a tikka, place heated coal in it, grab one lid to immediately cover it. Now take a spoonful of butter and add it on a coal and immediately cover it so that all the smoke will be inside it. Let's check if it's smoked or not. Now our mixture is completely cooled. Now we will grind it into a fine paste. So I have made a paste of our mixture. Now let's start preparing the gravy for a chicken tikka. For that I am going to heat a pan on a low flame. Now I am going to add butter and oil in a pan. Remember, you have to put the flame low so that butter will not get burnt. Now add butter in it. And some oil. It prevents the butter to be burnt. So always add oil. Now we are going to strain our paste directly into this pan. Now as you can see, only tomato skins and its seeds are there in the residue. So you have to strain it finely so that we will get a nice buttery gravy. You can see. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder in it. And mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Remember, we have already put salt while boiling all the ingredients, so just add a little bit of salt. Mix it well. Now I am going to add all our chicken tikkas in it. Mix it well. Cover it and let it boil for next 5 to 10 minutes. Once the mixture is boiled, add some kasuri methi in it. And mix it well. Again cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, our chicken tikka masala is ready. Now we can serve it. You can see it's nice buttery gravy. So let's serve it. Take some tikkas. Now add some gravy. Garnish it with some kasuri methi. Have this chicken tikka masala with a naan or a rice. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.